The First Alert CO710 carbon monoxide detector is powerful, stylish, and versatile. Unlike most CO detectors that need to be installed, hardwired, or have complicated limitations on placement, the CO710 allows you to place it anywhere. With the look similar to that of an alarm clock, this unit was designed to sit attractively on a tabletop or dresser and displays the ambient temperature of the room. Using an electrochemical carbon monoxide sensor, the most accurate technology available, it emits an 85 decibel alarm if carbon monoxide levels are detected at a dangerous level. This versatile detector also includes a long-life sealed lithium power cell battery, keeping the alarm working for 10 years without needing a replacement battery. However, when the time does come, the end-of-life warning notifies you that it's time to replace the alarm. Test the alarm weekly with an easy Test Silence button on the top of the device. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.firstalertstore.com.